Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 clone, and I'll show you how to enable the portable hotspot. So to get going, we'll need to open up settings. So pull up from the bottom and tap on settings. From here, go into connection and then more connection settings, and you'll see tethering and portable hotspot. So just tap on it, and from here you have a setup Wi-Fi hotspot. So click on it and you can choose the password. You can change it however you like it, as long as it's, I think, 8 symbols long. Basically, whenever you see the save button up here, you can choose the name of the network that will be basically displayed on different device. And once you're satisfied with your choices, you can just hit on save, and then you can flip the switch on portable Wi-Fi hotspot. And I'm gonna take my device and bring it to the view. So right here, as you can see, now the second Wi-Fi network is the Galaxy Note 9, which is this one. And I could connect to it using the password I have set, which was this. And as you can see, now I'm connected to it. It's also visible right here. So this is how we do it. I'm gonna now disconnect from it. And if you want to turn it off, you can just flip the switch again to turn it off. So this is how you enable the hotspot. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.